Hi everyone, last time we discussed simple past tense. Today new topic is past continuous tense. Now uses. This tense refers to an action which was going on in the past. For example, they were playing cricket. From the certain time in the past, an action started and continue up to some time. That is usage 1. Next usage 2. At the time of two actions. At the time of two actions, one action should be in simple past, second action should be in past continuous tense. For example, when I saw him, he was reading a book. When I saw him, he was reading a book. This is simple past tense. After comma, second part is past continuous tense. Example 2. My friend switched off the light when I was reading. When I was reading. Understand? So, here switched off one action, reading is one action. Reading, the action started before switched off. Okay. So, this is taking long duration. Understand? These are the two examples for past continuous tense. Let us discuss structure and examples according to assertive and interrogative sentence. Structures and examples of the past continuous tense. Subject plus was or V4 plus object. See, I was, he was, she was, it was. You were, they were, we were. For example, I was going, he was going, she was going, it was going. You were going, they were going, we were going. These are the agreement between subject and helping verb according to past continuous tense. Now according to assertive and interrogative sentence, examples are given here. He was playing affirmative sentence. Changing to negative sentence means he was not playing. He was not playing. Was he playing? Yes or no type questions. Where was he playing? Start with question word or WH words. This is also interrogative sentence. These are the examples, uses and structures of past continuous tense. Thank you everyone.